Video artifacts and glitches can be signs of a failing video card. Learn how to troubleshoot these signs when they appear. First, just a little explanation. Screen glitches are weird shapes or colors which appear randomly and usually happen when the video card is busy with an application, like a movie or a game. Artifacts are similar to screen glitches, however, the random shapes will cover the whole screen, especially when you are working with heavy graphics. Simply restarting the game, app, video, or program may temporarily solve the problem, but if it is a failing video card, it will more than likely come back again. Here's a list of steps to verify that it actually is your video card failing. Use an external monitor to check the issue. If the issue reveals itself, continue to the next step. If not, contact Dell Tech Support to further analyze your LCD screen. Next, try changing the video settings because Windows 10 sets what it recommends is the best display settings for you by default. So right-click anywhere on an empty area on your desktop and select Display Settings. In Scale and Layout, choose what is the best for the monitor you are using. Adjust the refresh rate by clicking on Advanced Display Settings, then Display Adapter Properties for display. Open the Monitor tab and select the required refresh rate for your monitor and click OK. If the selected refresh rate is optimal, click on Keep Changes. The next step is to watch our tech support video, How to Update PC Drivers, and update the video card driver, chipset driver, and BIOS. If necessary, download and install Microsoft Windows Updates. Go into Settings, select Update and Security, then Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates and restart your PC after downloading and installing the updates. Use Dell Support Assist to run a video stress test. In Troubleshooting, select I want to check a specific piece of hardware, and then Video Cards. Wait for the whole process, and if an error appears, contact our technical support team for more help. If no error appears, there are 2 more steps we recommend. Both of these steps can be found as videos on our tech support channel. Perform a Windows System Restore and restore your PC to factory defaults, which you can access at the end of this video. If you're still having issues and you need help, or if you have any questions, contact us through social media on Facebook or Twitter, or join in a chat on the Dell Community Forum. Don't forget to check out these other 2 videos on this channel, and if you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.